Most people are terrified of being alone. They run to their phone, to friend or to the noise. The second they are by themselves, they think it's loneliness. It's lack of strength. If you cannot stand by your own company, you never will master your own life. Today we are talk about the most powerful people on the earth to protect their solitude like a weapon. The problem, the approval addiction. We live in a world that sells us on community and the connection. But let me be honest, most of those connections are just distraction. When you are constantly around the people, you are adapt their fear, their place and their limitation version. You are stop thinking for yourself. You are not longer the pilot of your own mind. You are just a passenger in another people's lives. The shift solitude versus loneliness. There is a difference between being lonely and being a solitude. Loneliness is a feeling of lack. Solitude is a state of power. In solitude, you are stop performing for others. You are stop pretending. You get to ask yourself the hard question: what do I actually want? Why I am doing what I am doing? When you finally have an honest conversation with yourself, that is when your life is actually start to change. The action plan. How do you build this power? First, no distraction hour. Every day, take 1 hour, no phone, no music, no people. Just you and a journal or your thought. If you can't last 10 minutes without checking your phone, you have a problem. Second, the audit your circle. Start spending less time with people who don't challenge you. You don't need enemies. You just need to stop letting neutral people waste your focus. Third, become your own friend. Start treating yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Would you tell your best friend to give up on their goal? Then why are you telling yourself that? The world is noisy. Success is quiet. If you want to build an elite life, you must be comfortable being the only one in the room. Stop chasing approval. Start chasing your own potential. If you are ready to reclaim your focus, subscribe. Let's get to the work.